Hi Brandon, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. To my right, the vehicle we spoke about earlier, our 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 AMG Coupe. We talked about the car. It's here, it's available. I know you were in Missouri, we're here in Maine. The idea of the video tour is to give you a more personal close-up look at this model. Beautiful AMG styling. Night package vehicle includes black trim around the front, sides and rear of the vehicle, big Pan American style grille, aggressive AMG styling, LED headlights. We've got our big beefy AMG wheels, black accents inside the wheels. It's a satin black. It's a really cool look. Black mirror housings and window frame, big moonroof up top. The coupe gets the sloped rear roof line. We've got a nice rear spoiler, wraparound LED taillights, AMG GLE 53 badging, rear diffuser down below, dual tipped exhaust, black metallic also from that night package. Very sleek, sporty, aggressive styling, a beautiful exclusive Nappa leather interior. The only way to get that diamond stitching on the interior leather. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the GLE, we can take a closer look at the interior. Exclusive Nappa leather, diamond stitching, Dynamica suede-like texture there on the interior trim. Nice stitching throughout the entire vehicle. Nappa leather grab handles, center console, upper dashboard, all dripped in this beautiful, beautiful leather. Heads-up display, difficult option to get. Two 12-inch screens here for our display. 17 miles on the odometer. Adaptive cruise. Big aluminum paddle shifts, heated seats, ventilated seats, power and memory. We've got our Burmeister surround sound system, AMG performance exhaust, adjustable suspension. We've got our big moonroof up top. It's a beautiful vehicle, and I wanted to just give you a really quick video tour. I know you're familiar with the model. I know you had the GLC, this GLE, huge vehicle to have. Options are amazing, perfectly equipped. Everything you could want on this vehicle, it's got. I think all around a great package. So if you have any questions, 207-210-4796 is my cell phone number. You can call me or text me. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.